So we have a new AI tool in the market that can transform your images from this to this. So I'm talking about Hyperbooth AI, which can basically transform your image to up to 100 plus different style options, which are not just the normal ones, but they are really, really good. So let's just go ahead and explore this tool. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Alright guys, so here I am in my Hyperbooth.ai home base. So yeah, you guys can see we have a very intuitive, very simple interface where at front we can see we have lots of tons of style options right over here, and they keep on continuing like there are plenty, right? So yeah, let's just say if you want to go ahead and change your image to some professional, maybe steampunk, time travel, like wedding costume or some sketch style or some artwork, anything like that, you can literally do that by just inputting your image. So it's kind of an image to image generation, all right? So yeah, here you can see we have the step-by-step process of changing your image. So first of all, you have to choose style, then personalize, and then generate. So this is that simple, just 3-step process. So first of all, for the first style, let's just say I want to go ahead and choose this old money, right? This looks really, really good, kind of a steampunk style. And after that, it's asking me to upload any photo. So we have an upload guide right over here. So the photo should be frontal portrait. It will be like front facing, no side view, no multiple people, no small face. It should be zoomed in and front posting, like frontal view, right? Alright, so here I have, 2 to 3 photos of myself with different emotions, with different expressions. So I'm going to use, these images. Alright, so first of all, I think for the steampunk design, the straight face, emotion, the straight face expression will work perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and upload that photo right over here. Alright, so it's uploaded, and then you can go ahead and select your aspect ratio, which you can do like 4:3, 16:9, 3:2. I think for this purpose, 1:1 will be absolutely perfect. So I'm going to click on that and click on generate. Okay, so it will take just under a minute, like 30 to 40 seconds for you to complete. All right, so as you guys can see, for the first few generations, it basically gives you free credits. So you can go ahead and do like first 5 to 6 generation for absolutely free. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to use the free version of this Hyperbooth.ai. And if you talk about the pricing of this AI tool, so it's not that much, it's quite reasonable. So you can go ahead and use the basic version for $10 per month, standard for $30 per month, and pro for $60 per month. And I'm using the free one, so in which I can get 4 photos per day, okay? All right, guys, so here we go. Wow, check out the images. Wow, this looks absolutely perfect, and it's really, really realistic. Check out my facial expressions, my nose, my each and everything, my hairstyle. This looks really, really good. And if you take a look at the second image, wow, this looks absolutely perfect. The third one and the fourth. So yeah, you guys can see this is very accurate AI avatar of my image. So yeah, then the few more options you can get out of that is you can first of all easily download that, or you can go ahead and download this into HD mode, okay, which will use basically 1 credit. But it will go ahead and just maximize the resolution for you, okay? All right, so after that, I'm going to go ahead and click on try new style. And let's just go ahead and explore this AI tool a bit more. So this time, I'm going to go ahead and select this white wedding, white wedding costume, and see how it turns out, okay? So for that, I'm just going to go ahead and select a photo of myself with a smiling face because, this is a type of emotion or expression that I'm looking for my AI avatar, which is wedding costume. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and upload it. Okay, it's done. And now for the aspect ratio, I'm gonna go ahead and select 3:4. Okay, click on generate, and let's just wait for that to be complete. All right, wow, so take a look at this image. This looks really, really good. It's absolutely perfect. So now I have my AI avatar in a wedding costume. So yeah, this looks really, really good to the point. You guys can see the last one. Wow, this is to the mark, right? This image is really, really good. Okay, now let's just go ahead and try another style, another very unique, cool style. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and select this sketches, caricature drawing. This looks really, really interesting to me. I'm going to go ahead and select that. Upload my image. Obviously, I'm going to use the smiling one because that's what the caricatures are for. Select the aspect ratio as 9:16. Click on generate, and let's just wait for our output. Alright, so check it out, you guys. Wow, this looks really, really good. Okay, I'm really much impressed by the first generation. Then the second one, I'm not sure about that. It turned me, quite old in this image. But yeah, this one is good. And yeah, this is good. Especially, I really much like the first one. This is really to the point. This looks like, a perfect caricature for my image, right? Okay, let's do, another style this time again. And I'm going to go ahead and select this artwork, okay? Neon Mix Master. This looks interesting. And for that, I'm going to go ahead and select any other image. Let's just go ahead and select this image of myself. All right, let's do this one. And I'm going to go ahead and upload it over here. Select the aspect ratio. Let's do 4:3 and click on generate. Alright, wow. Take a look at this, you guys, okay? This looks really, really good. We have an Artwork Neon Mix Master image of myself. Okay, this one looks good too. And yeah, especially this one. This is to the point. Like, it's crazy how it manages to get the details out of my face. Like, I can see the lips, the nose, the beard, everything is to the point, right? Okay, let's do one last example for today. And this time, I'm going to go ahead and select something a bit more stylish. So let's just do this leather look, okay? This one, I'm really much dying to see how it turns out. And for that, I'm gonna go ahead and select this image. Let's just go ahead and do this, okay? And now click on generate, all right? All right, wow. Take a look at these images. All right, it's absolutely crazy, like how accurate this looks. Okay, oh my God, wow, this is absolutely perfect as well. So yeah, basically changed the whole vibe of my image, and I don't believe like this is me actually. Yeah, this looks really, really good to the point. Yes, so this is how you can go ahead and do very fun styles with Hyperbooth AI. You can go ahead and select as many styles as you want. Like we have literally hundreds of style right over here. You can choose any of them you want. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.